How to clear YouTube music cache on iPhone. Here is how to clear YouTube music cache on your iPhone. This is a clean and effective way to remove cached files while keeping your data. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and there you will get to see General option available there. And all you have to do is tap on the General. Now, once you tap on the General, tap on the iPhone storage option available in there. Now once inside the iPhone storage, scroll down and look for the YouTube app from the listed apps option available here and tap on it. Now tap on the upload option available inside the YouTube app and upload the app. This will delete the app but keep your documents and data, and it will also remove any cached files like temporary downloads and app storage vault. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.